In this section, we have slowed the speed of the camera down so it is possible to see the moment the injector opens and closes. This shows how the low resistance 2.4 ohms peak and hold injector, number 4 injector, and the latest generation of high resistance 12 to 16 ohms EV 1.3 and EV 6, number 7 and 8, open and close much quicker than the early EV 1, number 2 and 3, high resistance 12 to 16 ohms saturated injectors. You can also see on injectors 1, 2, 3 and 6 large droplets of fuel, either in the spray pattern or large droplets coming from the sides of the spray pattern. This fuel will fall onto the manifold walls and run down onto the back of the inlet valves, causing gumming of the inlet valves. This fuel will also run into the combustion chamber and sit between the piston and block walls, washing away the oil, eventually causing the piston rings to wear and loss of compression. This would also lacquer the lambda sensor and cause damage or clogging to the catalyst exhaust and an EGR valve if fitted. In addition to these problems, the vehicle would have emission issues. The latest generation of injectors have a much smaller fuel droplet formation, FDF, giving a more efficient combustion, resulting in better performance, improved economy, and lower emissions. In these clips, you can also see how the spray pattern is forming and how the fuel is distributed and the droplet size is formed during the fuel distribution. With injector number 3, you can see the fuel forming into one large droplet, stopping the fuel from atomizing. All of these problems would cause error codes on the engine management system. Replacing catalyst exhausts, lambda sensors, EGR valves, and even piston rings will solve the immediate problem, but without correct diagnosis, the cause of the problem would still be in place, and the same damage to the engine and its components would be caused again. For a list of injector problems, please refer to the Symptoms, Causes and Consequences section on the As New Injector Diagnostic Presentation CD.